हाँ तो प्रॉब्लम
क्या हो गया?
क्या
नहीं वो किसी और का बच्चा है।
itu in view of the discussion made herein above, studies of the opinion, consider the opinion that the responsible authorities consider framing an appropriate regulation scheme as the executive or the legislature is competent to frame such a scheme so as to regularize the services of the petitioner as one-time measure in the facts and circumstances of the present case. Having considered that the fact that the ICDS programs are still continuing, the services of the petitioner shall not be disturbed till appropriate decision is taken for framing this regulation by the state authorities. It is also provided that the respondent authorities shall pay the arrear and current salary of the petitioners if not already paid. It is a state disposal in terms of observation.
Deeply aware.
I am listening to you. This was a ये उधर नहीं है आपको आया भी लिस्ट है
काम कर दिया था वो ये एडवांस करना है।
In view of the discussion made herein above, I am of the considered view that the petitioners are entitled to be considered for promotion to the post of assistant engineer in terms of the provisions of the Disabilities Act 2016. Therefore, I deem it appropriate to direct the respondent authorities to consider the case of the petitioners. Accordingly, it is directed that the respondent authorities shall consider the case of the petitioner for promotion to the post of assistant engineer of the filing of present writ petitions, particularly with effect from the year 2021, as the authorities at the relevant point of time have promoted as many as 83 members of junior engineers to the rank of assistant engineer without adhering to the mandate of the law. Note that the writ petition stands allowed.
Lordship, one more aspect. Time period may fix, Lordship. For the proceedings of 3 months, within 3 months.
Cannot do like this.
Okay, highly obvious.
Slowly.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, can the matter pass over for the day, Lordship? Conducting counsel has some personal difficulty today, Lordship.
It is not matter by deciding it.
After a 1 week, after a week, Lordship.
2016 matter, no adjustment.
Your Lordship, my senior is in leg, Your Lordship, on court number 1.
After some time. After some time. This is what? Hearing.
Otherwise, Lordship, my senior has spoken with them. They don't have objection, Lordship. Only 1 week time may be granted, Lordship.
It's not your choice. It's matter of 2016.
There's some
Where is your
personal,
senior?
Lordship, he has some personal difficulty today, Lordship, to conduct the case today.
Where he is? Is
At,
in the is around
at Guwahati only, Lordship, but some
in the court?
no, Lordship. He's not a court.
Take it up tomorrow. Have you gone through the judgment?
No.
It has already been settled. You are appointed as a secretary in the cooperative society, right?
Lordship. Just a week of accommodation, Lordship.
Not we. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
2016.
Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.
Hello.
On the prayer of
Mr. D. Roy, Lordship.
B. Roy.
D. Roy.
D. Roy, learned counsel for learned counsel appearing for
The petitioner, Lordship.
petitioner. No, only prayer. Mr.
D. Roy.
D. Roy, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that his senior Mr.
T.S. Hazarika.
T.S. Hazarika, learned counsel for the petitioner, is indisposed today. Mr. Therefore, he prays for listing the matter. He prays for accommodation for a day. Mr.
Is this for my lordship?
Learned counsel,
On behalf of cooperative society, cooperative dependent.
learned counsel appearing for the respondents, has no objection, Mr. Considering that the matter, the learned counsel, Mr.
D. Roy.
No, your
T.S. Hazarika.
T.S. Hazarika is having some personal difficulty today. Come on. Let this matter be listed on. Let this matter, let the letter be listed on 6. Why? 07/11/2024. Day after tomorrow.
Lordship.
No further
Lordship.
adjournment shall be granted on the next day.
Hello,
Obliged,
lordship.
Lordship.
Hello, lordship.
Obliged.
Your lordship.
Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship, there's an OM which has been assailed in this writ petition. The issue has already been decided, Your Lordship, by this Honorable Court in a separate matter. This matter pertains to the concept of accelerated promotions. In that regard, this Honorable Court and the Honorable Division Bench has already decided that it is not in violation of any standing law and as propounded by this Honorable Supreme Court. The matter can be closed, in fact, Your Lordship. The same OM is in
Close in the sense,
Your Lordship.
close in the sense.
The matter is infructuous because the matter has already been decided in light of the OM.
Why should go for that? Yes. If matter has become infructuous,
Yes.
it's unnecessary. Mr.
M. Sharma.
M. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that in view of the decision of the
Yes, of this Honorable Division Bench,
decision of the division bench,
as
in
reported
the case of
in the case of Equality Forum
Equality Forum,
and others versus State of Assam and others.
versus the state of Assam and others versus state of Assam and others,
Is reported in
reported in
2023
2023
4 GLT
for GLT
864.
864. Come on. The matter has become infructuous. Mr. P.C. Shukia, learned additional senior government advocate.
For the state respondent.
Learned additional senior government advocate for the state of Assam has considered the same. Accordingly, writ petition dismissed as infructuous. Disposed of as infructuous.
I'm grateful.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I am appearing for 4, item number 4.
This is what? Item 3. Yes, sir.
Nobody is appearing.
Hmm?
Old matter, matter 2016.
Yes.
I think Krishna.
See, the petitioner was appointed as a welfare officer
Yes.
under the Plantation Labor Act 1951.
Yes.
Did with the rules from there under. But then there's no, say you are supposed to provide a service, a condition of service. Condition of service including retirement
Retirement
age.
benefit. Yes.
But
Another thing, he's,
no retirement age has been provided,
that's
and
why.
the petitioner has approached this court, and this court has directed you to consider the representation. As on today, no consideration has been made by the state authority. It's a
I think petitioner may got ballot relief. Why he has not come? Madam? 2016 matter. Why the age of retirement of the petitioner as welfare officer appointed under the provisions of Plantation Labor Act shall not be fixed at 60 years at par.
in 2016 he was 54 years.
Yes.
He is claiming for the age of retirement at the age of 60 years.
60 years.
He is 62 now.
Under the provision of Plantation Act 2022, employees admittedly there is a no provision governing the age of retirement of welfare officer. There is a no provision. That's why, Malab.
That's why this court has directed you to consider his representation. You are supposed to provide the
If he entitled,
condition
Malab.
of service.
Yes.
We are fixing it day after tomorrow. You obtain the instruction from the department. Which department?
Labor Department. Labor Department. Malab.
Are you appearing?
Earlier, I did not appear, I think. Malab.
Today, we are not concerned about earlier.
Today, I am appearing.
Yes.
Yes.
What do you say?
Malab, instruction is necessary. Malab, this may be Malab, next week. Malab. In the meantime, Malab, I will get the
Not next
instruction.
week, day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow, yes, Malab.
You just get over the telephone.
Actually, I am not keeping well, so today, instead of that, I am coming to court. I may or may not come. Today, I will go to the doctor. I am suffering from some problem. That's why, next week, in the meeting.
Or should we dismiss for default?
That can also be, because due to non-prosecution, that will be dismissed. Because matter is related to 2016.
Let them come back. Let him come back. We'll see. Non-appears for the petitioner on call. Mr. Next para. Mr. T.C. Suti Leonard, Additional Senior Government Advocate, appears for
Correspondent.
state respondents. Appears for all the response. Mr. Next para. It is noticed that on 12/11/2021, none had represented the petitioner when the matter was taken up. Mr. Next para. By next filing this writ petition, the petitioner has prayed for the petitioner who has been appointed as welfare officer under the provisions of Plantation Labour Act, 1951. Has prayed for a direction to fix the age of retirement at par with the state government employees at 60 years, as there is no provision governing the age of retirement of the welfare officer under the Plantation Labour Act and the rules framed thereunder. Mr. Next paragraph. The petitioner has approached this court. Petitioner has earlier approached this court, being WPC number 3540 of 2016, for a similar direction. This court, by the order dated 15/6/2016, directed the respondent number 1, i.e. Commissioner Secretary, Labour and Employment Department, Development Employment Department, Government Assam, to dispose of the representation. Mr. Next paragraph. Mr. P.C. Chutia, learned additional senior government advocate, has no instruction as to whether the order of this court, dated 15/6/2016, directing the respondent authorities to dispose of the representation, the petitioner, as to whether the direction of this issue has been complied with all. Mr. Next.
And the direction was also, my lord, to furnish the speaking order to the petitioner. This earlier order, my lord.
Yes.
Direction was also, my lord, to dispose of the representation and furnish the copy to the petitioner. Perhaps, my lord, they have provided the copy.
Furnished to the
Page 22.
be it as it may. Having considered that the petitioner remains unrepresented for two consecutive since 2021, and also considering that at the time of filing this writ petition, the petitioner was aged about 54 years, and by now, no, comma, not by, comma. I'm of the view that no live issue remains to be determined accordingly. Please, Harbour. Accordingly, the writ petition stands dismissed for non-prosecution.
Obliged.
IA, if any, stands closed. Disposal.
May please.
Yes, sir.
Defects
Yes.
Look, the facts of the case is there was an advertisement for appointment of grade 3 and grade 4. In pursuance to the advertisement, we appeared.
Yes.
We were selected. We were issued the appointment order. We joined. Which was grade 3 and 4, not
Grade 3 and 4.
Because what happened is after joining, Lord, they did not allow us to work. Discharge our duty. Then we approached this honorable court. This honorable court, after hearing the parties, Lord, held them that our appointments are valid. As our appointments are valid, therefore we are entitled to get the salary from the day of joining. That was the direction of this honorable court. After the judgment, my lord, the government preferred a writ appeal. Writ appeal was dismissed. Then they preferred an SLP. SLP dismissed. Then we filed a contempt. After various days, they allowed us to resume our duties. As well as they paid the government, after sanction of the finance department, they paid us area salary also. Now, Vigilance and Anti-Corruption said that we have gone illegally money from the government. They issued notice. Now, when the High Court directed to pay our salary, finance sanction as per the High Court judgment, then Vigilance and Anti-Corruption registered a regular case against us. And that I am challenging here.
Where is that notice?
That notice at page, my lord, 81. Has your lordship got it?
Yes.
This was dated 27/7/2016. Subject sending of suspect person to the Office of Director General Vigilance Anti-Corruption for deposing their statement and verification of their document. Sir, with reference to the above, I am directed to inform you that a regular inquiry has been initiated as a directorate against the following suspect person for misappropriation of gov money method. Kindly direct them to appear so and so, so and so. Now, your lordship,
Yes, allegation is misappropriation of government money.
government money.
It doesn't say that the illegal withdrawal of salary.
No, my lord, what is allegation of government money? We had a fourth grade employee. We got the salary on the basis area salary.
No, it's language says that for misappropriation of government money. What sort of government money is it? Doesn't.
What sort of government money, my lord?
Sir,
We are the
it
the
doesn't.
petitioners were all the
Sir, it
petitioners.
doesn't indicate the salaries which you have been paid or which you have drawn.
Yes.
Cannot be said to be the allegation here.
No, my lord. We are with the people, with the person who were read petitioner, they will go. And the read petitioner, not beyond not others. Can you understand?
No, if you have not done anything, if you have not misappropriated any
No,
government money,
misappropriation.
this
Misappropriation of-
inquiry will be.
No, my lord. What I am on, your lordship can have. what I am on, that suppose I am not the custodian of the government money. This was issued on 2016, my lord. Kindly have a look.
Therefore, inquiry will be conducted, and you will be, if you have not misappropriated anything, any money, government money, you will be clear.
No, my lord.
How can
I understand what your lordship.
Sir, how can we interfere the
No, my lord.
inquiry? Let there be inquiry.
What I am on your lordship, when High Court decided that our appointment, that your lordship have a look on it, my lord. Page 57 of the judgment. It starts from page 23, page 57. Has your lordship got it?
Yes.
The ninth line from the top, my lord. Therefore, has your lordship got it? Therefore, this court is of considered opinion that there was no fault on the part of the petitioner and their appointment are valid in the eye of law. When the appointment are valid and they have submitted their joining report, which were also accepted by the authority concerned, it would be improper on the part of the court to deny them their salary, more particularly in view of inquiry conducted. Now the direction so far the salary part is concerned, that your lordship will find at page 61.
No, that inquiry is with regard to your appointment.
Your
Right.
lordship, what they are going to examine it, your lordship have a look at the notice.
And employer, where is it? Page 50. Which page are you referring?
No, my lord, I am referring on page 61.
61.
61,
Yes.
that paragraph right inside your lordship D start. The petitioner are entitled. Has your lordship got it?
Page 61.
61. Last portion. D, it starts from D. The petitioners are entitled to 50% of the pay and allowances for the period to 6/9 since their appointment, and they are also entitled the regular payment of their salary on and from 6/9/2002. For the foregoing reason discussion, the respondent are directed to pay the salary of the petitioner from the date of joining.
Yes.
Now, your lordship has a look on the notice. What they want to examine. Our appointment letter, joining letter, service related papers. They want to examine afresh. They are as if they are sitting over the High Court. Page 81, second paragraph. Has your lordship got it?
Page?
81,
Yes.
second paragraph. Kindly direct them to appear before the inquiry with the above noted RN so and so at the Vigilance and Anti-Corruption Assam Srimont of Guwahati, along with their joining letter in service and other service related papers. My lord, when though they are saying that misappropriation of government money, we draw the salary as per the High Court direction. Otherwise, they would have enforced independently. But what they want our appointment letter, joining report, other related papers to ascertain our joining and others, which has been held by the Honorable Court as valid. And therefore, I am excelling it. It is not that I am misappropriating government money by unauthorized. Has your lordship, till now government has not, the other side has not filed affidavit.
We received instruction, Malad. We have a long instruction, my lord. I may be granted time to file affidavit, my lord. The inquiry has been done. Inquiry has been done, my lord, and it is long instructions, my lord.
Let them come with an affidavit.
Yes,
so
yes.
that-
Inquiry as per this notice,
Uh,
page 81,
Yes, regular inquiry was done,
conducted, completed.
completed, my lord. They have said, my lord. So their irregularities, their appointment irregularities there in appointment, and newspaper also the 3 বছৰ পূৰ্বে যোগদান দেখুৱাই বকেয়াৰ নামত কোটি টকা লুণ্ঠন. That means they have shown they have joined in there 3 years ago. Therefore, they have drawn on crores of rupees. This is a monetary transaction. And their appointment is also irregular. They say, "Madam, grant me 2 weeks time, and I will file affidavit."
Let them file affidavit. my lord. It will be better.
Yes, inquiry is conducted.
Conducted, madam.
There was a stay of the inquiry,
There is no stay of the inquiry, my lord.
28/9/2016.
28/9/26.
This letter was stayed.
Yeah.
Further proceedings was stayed. You have conducted the inquiry.
Yeah, conducted.
What is the outcome of the inquiry?
Conducted, madam. They have conducted the inquiry.
What is the outcome?
Now, madam, they in connection with the students, in connection with the above noted, I have to inform you that after submission of my final report in connection with the above noted regular inquiry to the Superintendent of Police Vigilance and Anti-Corruption, Guwahati, suggesting to move the government for closure of the regular inquiry as unsustainable. The Superintendent of Police so and so forwarded the same to the Joint Secretary of Government of Assam Political Home Department for closure of regular inquiry.
Closure
After
of
receipt of the-
regular inquiry.
after
The
the
matter has become enforceable.
My lord, let
No,
let
that-
it
that's
be
why-
on record. my lord.
yes, but affidavit is required, but this is a communication only.
Yes. If the inquiry, you wanted to have an inquiry, although
Yes.
this court has stayed the proceeding, you have conducted the inquiry
What is the
Find
result of the
nothing.
what is the result of the inquiry, my lord? I will go through
that
it.
you have read.
No, my lord. After completion of the inquiry officer submitted the inquiry report recommending closure of the regular inquiry.
Closure of the-
Closure of the, yes.
And also based on the judgment also and so. So let me file the affidavit, my lord. It should be done.
Unnecessary. You are
Yeah.
still working.
Oh,
And Mr. S. Kotoki, counsel for the petitioner. Next para. After hearing the matter, after hearing the matter for some time, on the prayer of, it is the Mr. T.C. Sutia, London Additional Senior Government Advocate, submits that he may be granted a week's time to file an affidavit, as the instruction indicates that the inquiry pursuant to the letter dated 27/7/2015 or 16
16.
has been completed, and also it indicates that the nothing has been found against the petitioners. Therefore, the case be closed. Next, having considered the submission of London Council for the petition, the State Council, let this matter be listed after a week. In the meantime, the London Additional Senior Government Advocate shall file the shall bring on record the instruction by affidavit. By affidavit. If it is closer, there is nothing will close it.
Yes, yes. Obliged, my lord.
Rest of the matters will be taken after rising of the division.
Division.
Sorry, we'll take it after rising of the division bench. I'm having a division bench now.
For draft issues, but documents, original, your so basic, it will be difficult to produce, If your lordship kindly have order third CPC, my lord, for a moment.
What is the IA about?
Lordship, this
I have additional evidence.
reducing documents, Lordship, that I have made specific averment in my election petition, Lordship,
Yes.
where when I have stated that these are certain documents which I could not obtain since it is not within the documents is with certain authorities. So after filing RTI documents, we have obtained the documents. So I have craved leave of this honorable court in my election petition also. So these documents which I am seeking leave of this honorable court to produce, these documents would be necessary for the adjudication of this instant election petition. So I have made a specific arrangement with regards to this
Sir, why
document.
would you like to file?
I will file objection, my lord. There is some defects there.
Okay, that will come later. Just
Now, if your lordship may kindly have order 13, my lord.
13.
Order 13 of the CPC. Roman 13. Order 13. Original documents, my lord, will have to cross-check, my lord, with the documents we have annexed. That can only be possible when your lordship sits here, my lord. Or otherwise, we will have to come down. Order 13, my lord.
Yes.
Original documents will produce at or before the settlement of issues, my lord. Readers will produce on or before the settlement of issues all the documentary evidence in original, my lord, where the copies thereof have been filed along with the plaint or written statement. The annexures, my lord, copies are already enclosed with the petition as well as the written statements. But, my lord, these original documents can only be produced, my lord, when your lordship's, my lord, is available, my lord. Can be done through DC, my lord. And issues can be settled only after them.
What is your draft issue?
My lord, I have filed in the morning, my lord.
So, it's not here.
In any case, my lord, the issues can be framed only after
Transmitted
the.
here.
My lord,
It has not been transmitted here.
lordship.
Draft issued by the petitioner and then respondent number. Two and respondent number 4. Your draft issue is not placed here.
Oh.
It has not
Sorry,
been.
my lord, we filed, my lord, today.
In that case, let us do one thing. We'll fix it after some time,
Yes.
after 3 days. And we'll.
But, my lord, the issues can only be settled after the production of documents, my lord. How do we produce the original documents, my lord?
Or before. Is it?
Lord, yes.
No, that's what I'm saying. Original documents to be produced at or before the settlement of the issues.
Yes.
Since there's a difficulty in the production of the original documents,
Yes.
from DC,
Because your lordship will cross-check it.
fix the matter on some other day. And in the meantime, you may file the objection. You'll hear this IA also on that day.
Yes, my lord, there was some, it's not glitch in the audio, my lord, we could not hear, my lord.
No, in that case, we'll fix the matter on some other day
Yes, my lord.
for production of documents and the
Settlement of issues.
settlement of the issues. All right. And in the meantime, you may file the objection to the IA,
Yes, yes.
additional documents, and in some documents, I think we'll have to allow him. But then, if you have any objection to that,
I have objections of technical grounds. Your lordship will see. Let me file my affidavit.
yes.
Lordship, otherwise, I endorse the argument, submission advanced by the learned.
Yes. Yes.
Lordship. Otherwise, otherwise we can submit the original documents in the registry if your lordship grant leave to submit the same before the registry.
No, the additional documents which you have showed through the IA, yes,
Yes.
objection. You would like to file an objection to that.
Lordship,
We'll decide that also. All
lordship,
right.
lordship.
When?
Any date, my lord, after 2 weeks. my lord?
First week of November?
Yes. December.
No, November. This
Last
is
week.
November. Then
Yes.
last week of November.
My lord.
Lordship, can it be on 21, lordship?
21. After that, yes. November.
Lordship, for deciding this particular IA, lordship, short date may be given. So only after disposal of this IA, we can go ahead with the documentation part, lordship.
Then this for IA, let us fix it on 21st,
Lordship,
and thereafter we'll for settlement after a week or 2 weeks.
Right.
We'll see.
lordship, lordship.
And Mr. A. Tatak Learned Counsel for the applicant election petition in IA. Huh? Where is it? It's IA 207 of 2024. Huh? This is an application for and also heard Mr. Deepang for the opposite party with respondent number 1. And who else are there?
Lordship, Chairman for
Number 2.
Lordship.
Just give your name, huh?
Lordship.
Correspondent number 3.
Mr.
Miss Gulia Pulu. Dipulu.
Let's just get the
Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent number 4K lawyer on behalf of Standing Counsel and Anju. For RO, respondent number 4 RO.
for respondent number 2.
Lordship, K Mena Lordship.
Your name, please.
K Mena Lordship, K Mena.
Kemina, MENA. For respondent number 2. For respondent number 3.
B Pulu.
B Pulu for respondent number MSB Pulu. And for respondent number 4, Enanju.
And Anju.
Then you write, this is an application form. Application for application praying for calling and production of additional documents on behalf of election petitioner. On the on the prayer of Mr. Deepang, counsel for the opposite party. respond number 2. Let this matter, not related. Mr. Deep Learning Council for the opposite party respond number 2, respond number 1. Press 4. And granted 2 weeks time to put objection to the present application. Is expert. As agreed to by the Learning Council for the parties, list this matter on 21/11/2024. In election petition also, list the matter as agreed to the Learning Council for the parties. List the matter on 21. We'll decide this first. We'll dispose of the IA and then we'll fix the matter after 2 weeks thereafter for settlement of the issues.
Lordship, deeply obliged.
Please, Lordship.
Yes.
Become infructuous, Lordship. I think, Lordship, their claim is, Lordship, the great pay, which is, as it is, their claim is 2,400. As per our claim was that time, Lordship, 2,200, Lordship. As per the new Lordship, great pay, Lordship, Havilder is 6,800, Lordship, most probably, Lordship.
You are for responding.
All the respondents, Lordship.
What about the petitioner?
Petitioner is, Lordship, and name has been shown, Lordship. Some MU Mondal and Nasrin A. Wahib and I.H. Khan.
The 2016 matter.
16 metal, become infructuous, Lordship.
After this has been listed after
Last listed, Lordship, on 3518, most probably, Lordship.
6 years back.
6 years back, Lordship.
What is to be done?
Petitioner council is also unavailable, Lordship.
MU Mandal.
MU Mondal and Nasrin.
He was here.
Then fix it on Lordship, then day after tomorrow, Lordship. Day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, Lordship. Otherwise, matter become infructuous, Lordship.
You just inform Mandal, MU Mandal.
I have not seen. Oh, in the morning.
You know him. MU Mandal, you know him.
I know, Lordship.
You just inform him. We'll fix it day after tomorrow.
Lordship.
Or
Will
next,
you-
after a week. Next week.
Next week, Lordship. I will inform Lordship.
Next week when this is 11, 12. Hearing day. 12. Non-ATS for the petitioner on call. Mr.
A. Chakraborty.
A. Chakraborty, Learned Council.
Junior Government Advocate Assam, Lordship.
Learned Junior Government Advocate Assam. ATS for is present. Is present. For all the respondents is
All the
present. It is noticed that this writ petition was admitted for hearing on 30/05/2018. Considering that the what is your affidavit that says?
Lordship, as per our affidavit, Lordship, it is stated that he has got the rupees 2,200 as per the SOP rule, as per the SOP rule 2010, Lordship. Relevant point is para 9, Lordship.
Okay.
In
Which
our
affidavit?
affidavit. In our affidavit, Lordship.
Which affidavit?
At that time, Lordship, it was filed on 2005
Affidavit on behalf of respondent 5 and 6?
and 6, Lordship.
Ah.
On 6/12/16, it was filed, Lordship.
7 December. Affidavit in opposition on behalf of respondent number 5 and 6.
5 and 6, Lordship.
It was filed on 7 December.
Lordship.
Ratna Singha.
Ratna Singha, Lordship. The 11 point is para 9, Lordship.
There are 9.
Para 9, Lordship.
Paragraph 9 is something.
May I read, Lordship?
Yes.
That with regard to the statement made in paragraph 12 of the writ petition, the deponent does not admit the same and states that the petitioner was absorbed against the vacancies of PSO Havildar of this organization, and the great pay of PSO Havildar of this organization is rupees 2,200 as per ROP rule 2010, Lordship.
He is claiming?
His claim is Lordship 2,400, Lordship. At that time, Lordship. 2,400.
Now, this is, see, you see, para 5 you read.
Para 5, Lordship, it was sent to the Lordship to the department. May I read, Lordship? May I read, Lordship? That with regard to the statement made in paragraph 6 and 7 of the writ petition, the deponent states that it is a fact that petitioner was absorbed against the vacancies of 1,500 posts of PSO Havildar of this organization, as there is no post of GAD Havildar in this organization. The grade pay of PSO Havildar is 2,200 as per ROP Rule 10, 2010, and accordingly the petitioner has been drawing grade pay of admissible in SB organization as per ROP Rule 2010. Moreover, in this connection, the Assam Police Headquarters Ulubari, Guwahati was moved regarding certification of the grade pay of PSO Havildar.
Clarification.
Lordship.
Clarification.
Clarification, Lordship. Now, Lordship, it is
Clarification, great pay of the entire, but the Assam so intimate great pay of the but the revised to 200.
2,100 and 2,200 respectively, Lordship. Further, to remove the difficulties and great pay of PSO Havildar cadre, the matter has already been placed before the 7th Assam Pay and Productivity Pay Commission. The report of the 7th Assam Pay and Productivity Pay Commission was submitted to the government of Assam on 18 November 2016. An observation of the commission is contained in chapter 14 of the 1.17, Home Department, page number 154, Lordship. Now, Lordship, as far as
this anomaly is with regard to raising it from 2,100 to 2,020. 200.
Lordship.
So not connected with the 240.
Lordship, 240, Lordship. At that time.
Why is claiming 240?
He has claimed that, Lordship, some of the persons are getting was getting that time 2,400, Lordship. Yes, annexed
He's
some.
also saying that issue to pay the great pay of 200 as per the ROP 2010 with effect from 5/11/20 from the date of promotion to the post of Abinda. I think we'll give another chance.
Lordship.
You just inform me.
Lordship will inform Lordship.
What is that? List of, huh? It was admitted for hearing, huh? On 30/05/2018. Next paragraph. No. In the presence of Learned Counsel, Mr. M.U. Mandal,
Mandal.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and the Learned Counsel for the state respondents. Considering that the matter is pending since 2016, last opportunities provided to the Land Council for the petitioner. To appear and argue the matter. Accordingly, let this matter be listed after a week on 12/11/2020.
Obliged.
That was, it appears to be why we have to becoming